Yes, guys, you're welcome on Poultry TV. Kasozo Batikanya Pharmacy Kadama. These are the different poultry structures. You can choose any you can use for those who for the beginners and someone out there who is planning on starting a poultry farm. Yeah, one we're having this one of the bricks and this bricks, sand and cement. Yeah, there is that one. It's more better if you're going to use brick and that brick, sand and cement. It should be a story house, as in two floor structure. So that you have down and up. Save on space. Save on the iron sheets, because remember here, but if you're going to build two of them, that means you need two sets of iron sheets, the one for down and the one for up. If you're going to divide them into two, but here you're going to use only one set of iron sheet. That's one build. That's one. Two. Let's go with the iron sheet structure. That one. But also with iron sheet structure, I urge you to use a two-floor structure. Let it be two-floor. You saving on the space and also the iron sheet you're going to use. However, if your capacity is doing one floor structure, it is okay and well and good. But a two floor house or structure is more better. There is this system called the Maleto system. I've never seen this physically, but I saw it on Happy Farming. There's a channel called Happy Farming. I saw it there, where the chickens are raised in Gaziri Waguru. They put a wire mesh where they stand on. Their droppings just pass through and go down. The water is automatic. They feed them from outside. Eggs are moved from outside. No entering inside unless it is a must. Even eggs are collected from outside. It's called the Mareto system. There is also this type of structure, guys, where they build course build from the ground to up to your knee, a VV. They do like 2 or 3 courses. Then after they put wire mesh. Then even you're seeing that structure there. There's also that one. Now also there's this one of ebikoko off cuts of the tree, guys. It's also the one I'm going to use. Actually, I showed you at the poultry farm. That's the one I'm having. Makoko off cuts. But also it's more better if it is two floor structure. But if you can't construct that one of two floor, it is okay. You can use a single one, no problem. There is also the one of mud taka. Guys will sing Ania Zimbe Chetaka. I can't do the one of mud. Guys, here our interest is in chicken. The money is in the chicken, not in the structure. Unless maybe you're going to get a loan from the bank, that you want money from the bank, you put those structure like these ones. If you put these ones, you go to the bank, you ask for money, because I'm like for those guys, loan officers. They see where their money is, what they will say when they're going to recover their money. But if you're doing your thing, not only after you are going to smile band, pan and azimbenyo. Guys, guys are using mud. The money is in the chicken. The chicken, we want the money from the chicken. The thing is not the poultry structure. Look about we are doing business. So there is that one of mud. There is that one. There is that one also. There is that one also for iron sheets. Iron sheets. And the other side there is that one over a small one, which is for makoko, the off-cuts of tree. Guys, that one's also okay, but the ventilation isn't that good. There's only this one also for iron sheets. But this thing looks good. The door is chuma, metallic. This one is also nice, guys. It's nice. You can use that one. We have already seen this one of the offcuts of the tree. We have already seen this one. Now this one is for cages. KG. A KG system. There is this one. Use the, let me see, 3 courses. Then after that, take out wire, I put the wire mesh up to up. That's also good. And you save money instead of building with the bricks from down up to up. Not like doing some tunnel, you're just wasting money. You're using capital which is supposed to go buy chicks, and you keep them, feed them. What you're putting it in a postal structure for what? Whom are you one? Unless you want to please people, you can do that. Bring what? This one of mad again. But this thing is nice. Very nice. Someone was saying Ania Zimbejo. Let's go this one. This one is also for offcuts. This one is timber, I think, with some offcuts. Chicken can stay here if they can stay in trees. Maybe you can say security. I'm going to talk of security at last. There is also this one of bricks, sand, and cement. Now this is what most of the people like and prefer. Because it looks nice. What guys? My interest is in the chicken, the eggs, and maybe selling the manure, not in the poultry house. The poultry house, where you have you put your emphasis is in security. Have you ever seen a guy keeping his commercial layers in a tarpaulin? You know, a tarpaulin is a tundubari, but the other hard one. Yes, take out poles, put poles, then after they put the tarpaulin surrounding the whatever, the entire poultry structure, and he's keeping his layers there. And the wall is fencing it with the bricks and and cement. But inside, if you reach inside, you'll be surprised. Then this one also for someone who's going to keep his maybe some local chicken, some dual purpose. You can use it. You can use it. There is also that one. They built on 2 courses from the ground. Then from there up to up is a wire mesh. Then there's some tarpaulin up. That tarpaulin is used to maybe in strong winds. That's 1. 2, during heavy rainfall. Heavy rainfall, you pull out your untie that whatever the tarpaulin and comes down. And there is also a structure where you they first put the bricks from the ground up to maybe the level of the knee. Then from there up to up, an iron sheet. Then after wire mesh. It's also good, guys. It is also good. Now this is for iron sheet. 2-floor structure. This one is very good. Very, very good. This is very good. You're saving on the space. Here, if you are going to divide them, that means you need 2 sets of iron sheets. But here, you're using only 1 set. There's this one. Down is using iron sheets. Then up is using the offcuts of the tree. Very nice. I like this. It saves on money. Let me see another structure, guys. Now this structure, guys, these are for those guys with the halves. We call them the halves. About BD. They can put those ones. Can put those ones. But for us here, we are beginners. We are beginners. Let's not even go there. Let's even not even go there. Yes, guys, there is also this one. Up they use timber. Then the down part they use the bricks, cement, and sand. Guys, there's another one here. This one is offcuts of the trees. Makoko or ebifafa. Yeah, very far. It's also good, but mind about your security. Mind about the security. However, even those using bricks now have a bar. Ateba menya. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm, that one's also off cuts of the trees. Makoko. This one is using timber. Now these are wooden cages. Wooden cages. I think, guys, that is it for today. There is this one for timber. It's kind of raised. But this one is supposed to be for goats. Mbuzi zagala nnyo waggulu. But still, you can keep your chicken there. You can keep your chicken there, but mbuzi ezisinga okwagala nnyo waggulu. There is this one, guys, also for off-cuts of the trees. There is this one is using timber. This one is using timber. Mbao. Guys, that has been it for today. Yes, thank you for watching Poultry TV. Thank you for watching Poultry TV. Please subscribe on the channel, like the video, and also put a comment and any question you want me to answer you, please, guys. I always tell you that if I don't know about the question you're asking me about, I will do research and I will bring for you everything here. Yeah, serving you is my job. Good morning.